school. Good morning from Athens. We did get a late start today because we had a travel day and we were very exhausted, which comes with the traveling. You have to give yourself that time to kind of catch up with your sleep. Sean and I slept until about 10, that way we can head out at 10:30. But to be fair, we did go to sleep really late, but that is okay. We're gonna explore Athens and it's gonna be a great time. And hopefully we're gonna get some breakfast because I'm starving.
So we finally made it up to the Acropolis. As you can see behind me is the Parthenon. The Parthenon is probably the most popular site in Athens. How we got up here is through the 30 euro combo package. It includes 7 different sites around Athens. So it's definitely a very good benefit to have. Behind me is the Temple of Athena of Nike. This was actually the first site built on the Acropolis, and it was built in 427 BC. I thought San Antonio was old, but this is... Behind me is the Parthenon, and this is actually what was built in resemblance of the Palladium in San Antonio. We just finished visiting the Acropolis. Now we're walking through the streets of Plaka and Monastiraki, and we're going to try Falafel House.
We have the Waffle House in the States, but they have the Waffle House here. And I usually don't buy anything when we go places because I just like to keep pictures or brochures or tickets as like my memorabilia from that time that we were there. But this bracelet was only €1. So I went ahead and I bought it, but I'm going to try to wear it as an
Hadrian.
Oh, hey, like hey y'all. We are at Hadrian's Library, which is not an actual book library, which I don't know why I thought that. But it's really hot, so we're gonna take a look around. We just came from all the way up there. Now we're at the Roman Agora.
We just left the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier where the guards are protecting, similar to the changing of the guard in London. That was really, really cool. Now we're going to the Panathenaic Stadium. It's closed right now, but it is the world's only white marble stadium.
Stadium for the Olympics that was built in 144 AD, and from the very bottom all the way to the top is 107 steps up, It's the only one in the world that's made out of marble.
Fun fact, the Athenians built everything on the Acropolis because it was too hard to build everything up here. So instead of the highest point in Athens, they chose the second highest point. This is the little chapel outside. So once you get up here to the top of Mount Leviticus, there's a little church, there's a cafe and a restaurant. So after you burn all those calories walking up the hundreds, maybe thousands of steps, you can get up here and get some refreshments.
But I would recommend not to eat too heavy because you gotta go back down. There's a lot of people up here once you get here. The wind and the breeze is really nice and the view is unbelievable. You get to see literally a 360 of Athens. It's beautiful. So many lights and all the buildings are white. It's just really nice. It's exciting.
Right now we're gonna have to end this vlog. Tomorrow we head to Munich, Germany, but hope you enjoyed Athens. We enjoyed it.